Welcome, dear children. Subject Mathematics, Standard 5th, Second Chapter, Number Work, Part 6th. Now, today in this lecture, we will see place value and expanded form of a number. Now, first we will see the place value of a number. Now, students, here each and every number has its value. Understood, students? So let's see the place value of a digit, how you will write down the place value. Now see, students, in this table some place values are given and the numbers are given in that place. Now can you see that here 3 is in 10 crore place, 4 having the value of crore, 1 having the value of 10 lakh, 9 having the value of lakh, 7 is in which place? 7 is in 10,000 place, 5 is in 1000 place, 0 is in 100 place, and 5 is in tens place, and 2 is in ones place, means in unit place. Clear? So here each and every number having its place. Understood, students? Each and every number having its own position over here. So here also whenever the number is given, it means that numbers having their place. Clear, students? Student, question number 11 of your workbook, page number 8. Write the place and place value of underlined digit. Now here what we have to do is we have to write down the place value and place of the underlined digit. Clear? So see here in the first one, which number is underlined? 2. Here 2 is underlined. So here first we will write down underlined digit. Clear? Now we have to write down the place and place value. So what you will do is, first of all we will write down the place of all the number, unit, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh and 10 lakh. Clear? Like this you have to write down. Now what is the place of this 2 underlined digit? Now the place of this 2 is 10,000. So here you will write down that is 10,000. Clear? Now we have to write down the place value. Now what will be the place value of this 2? That is, it is in which place? 10,000 place. So that is 2, 0, 0, 0 and 0, means 20,000. Clear, student? Understood, everyone, how you will write down this? Now the next one. Now here the underlined digit is 7. Now 7 is in which place? 7 is in 100 place. So here you will write down 100. Clear? And what is the place value of that 7? That is 700. Clear, students, how you will do? Now the third one. Now here the third underlined digit is 8. Now again 8 is in which place? 8 is in 100 place. So you write down here 100. Clear? Now what is the value of that 8? That is 800. Clear, students? Now the next one. Now again 8 is given. The underlined digit is 8. Now that 8 is in which place? That 8 is in 10,000 place. Clear? 10,000 place. And what is the value of that 8? That is 80,000. Clear, students? Understood how you will do this? So rest you have to do. Clear? Now next topic we have to study in this chapter is, we have to understand how to write down the expanded form of a number. Now see, what is the expanded form? Now expanded form means when we write the place values of the digits as an addition, we get the expanded form of the number. Clear, students? Means what we are doing in expanded form, we are showing the place value of the digit. Clear? So see, in this picture you can see that the number is given, that is 7,294. Understood, students? So first what you will do, you will write down their place value, that is unit, tens, 100, 1000. Clear, students? After writing that, what we have to do is we have to show that in an expanded form. So how you will show? Now first, now 7 is in which place? 7 is in 1000 place. So write down that 7 And in thousand, how many zeros are there? 3. So write down 3 zeros with that 7. So it will become 7,000. Plus, now 2. 2 is in which place? 2 is in 100 place. So how many zeros in 100? So 2 zeros is in 100. So write down 2 zeros with 2. So it will become 200. Then 9 is in tens place. So 9 and 0. Tens means 10. How many zeros are there in 10? 1. So you will write down 1 0 with 9. So it will become 90. Plus 4 is in unit place. So you will write down 4 as it is. Clear, student? Now you have to add this. Clear, everyone? So after adding this, what you will get? You will get that is 7,294. Clear how you will write down the expanded form? Expand. We are expanding the number. Means what we are doing? We are writing the place value of the given digit. Clear? See the question number 12 of your workbook, page number 9. Write the numbers in expanded form. One has been done for you. Now here first one has been done for you. You have to do the remaining one. Now what you have to do is you have to write down the expanded form of the given number. Clear? So how you will write down? First of all, what you will do is you will write down the place. What place of the each and every number, that is unit, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000 and lakh. Clear? Now 8 is in which place? That is lakh. So 8. Then how many zeros will come? 5 zeros will come. Clear? Plus, now again 8 is in which place? 10,000. So 8. So it will become 80,000. Then again 8 is in 1000 place. So 8,000. Then 8 is in 100 place. So 800. Plus 80 is in 10 place plus 9. Clear? Like this you have to write down the expanded form. Now again the next one. Unit, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh and 10 lakh. Now 2 is in which place? 10 lakh place. So 2 0. Clear? It will become 20 lakh. Plus 5 is in lakh place. So 5 lakh. Then 8. 8 is in 10,000 place. So 80,000. 9 is in 1000 place. So 9,000. Then 4. 4 is in 100 place. 400. 3 is in tens place. So 30 plus 4 is in unit place. Clear how you will write down, everyone? So the remaining you have to do. Clear? Now see question number 13. Write the place name and place value of each digit in the following numbers. So students, what we have to do is here we have to write down the place and place value. Clear? So write down again first the place. Unit, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000 and lakh. Clear? So 7 is in which place? That is lakh place. 8 is in which place? That is 10,000. 2 is in 1000 place. 8 is in 100 place. 9 is in tens place and again 9 is in unit place. Clear? Like this you have to write down the place. Now we have to write down the place value. So 7 is in lakh place. So 7 lakh. 8 is in 10,000 place. Clear? So 80,000. 2 is in 1000 place. So 2,000. 8 is in 100 place. So 800. 9 is in tens place. So 90. It will become 90. And 9 will come as it is because it is in unit place. Clear, students, how you will do? Now the next one. Again it is given unit, tens. Write down the place value for student. Clear? Unit, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh and 10 lakh. Clear? So 9 is in 10 lakh place. 1 is in lakh place. 8 is in 10,000 place. 0 is in 1000 place. 3 is in 100 place. 2 is in tens place. and 7 is in unit place. Clear? Now what you have to do is you have to write down the place value. Clear, students, here? So here it will become 10 lakh, means 90 lakh. Clear? Clear, students? Now 1 is in lakh place, so write down 1 lakh. 8 is in 10,000 place, so 80,000. Now 0 is in 1000 place, so you will write down 0 as it is. Clear? Now 3 is 100 place, so 300. 2 is in tens place, so it will become 20. And again 7 is in unit place. 7 is in unit place. So what it will be? It will be 7 as it is. Clear, students, how you will do this? Now question number 14. Write the expanded form of the number. Once has been done for you. Here 1 has been done for you. Now what you have to do is the expanded form is given. Clear, everyone? What you have to write down? You have to write down in the numbers. Understood? So how you will write down this? So what you have to do is, see, if you didn't understood how to write down this, the expanded form in the numbers, what you have to do is add all this number. Clear? Add all this number, you will get your number over here. Clear, students? So see how you will write down, students, over here. So what you will do is, now here 7 is in lakh place. So write down the place name till lakh. Unit, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000 and lakh. Now 7 is in which place? Lakh place. So lakh place, write down 7. And now here 8 is in 10,000 place. So write down here 10,000 place 8. Now 4 is in 1000 place. So write down 4 in 1000 place. Now 5 is in 100 place. So write down 5. Now there is no number in tens and unit place. So what you will do? You will write down 0. It means what you will get over here? You will get, that is 7,84,500. Clear, students? You have to write down like this, or add all the numbers and write down. Clear? Now see the third one. Again you have to write down, that is unit. Now here again 1 is in lakh place. So unit, write down unit, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000 and lakh. Now 1 is in which place? Lakh place. So write down 1 in lakh place. Clear? Now 6 is in 10,000 place, 60,000. So 10,000 place, write down 6. Now 5 is in 100 place. So write down 5 is in 100 place. Clear? And 3 is in which place? Unit place. So write down 3. Clear, students? Now see, students, here no numbers are there in tens and thousand place. So what you have to do is you have to write down 0 over there. So what you will get? You will get 1,60,503. Clear? Now the remaining one you will do.
Thank you.